Ever wonder how developers build powerful web apps so fast? That's where web development frameworks come in. They're pre-built tools and libraries that handle the heavy lifting, like routing, UI rendering, and database connections. So devs can focus on what really matters: features and innovation. It's the backbone of every smart web project. Let's explore the top 5 technologies powering today's leading websites. 1. React, the library developed by Facebook and used by 40% of developers. Its virtual document object model and reusable components make user interfaces lightning fast. Companies such as Instagram, Airbnb, and Netflix rely on it. 2. Angular, Google's comprehensive front-end framework. Although only 17.1% of developers use it, over 54,000 websites in the United States depend on its built-in routing, form handling, and state management for enterprise-grade applications. In third place, Vue.js, the progressive JavaScript framework behind 4.6 million live websites, including Alibaba and Grammarly. It began as a simple library and has grown into a full-featured framework for both web and desktop applications. Fourth is Next.js, the full-stack framework built on React. With server-side rendering, static site generation, and automatic image optimization included, it is a favorite for electronic commerce and software-as-a-service platforms. And finally, Django, the Python-based backend framework, embracing the battery-included philosophy. Major services such as YouTube and Instagram Threads use its object relational mapping, authentication system, and administrative dashboard out of the box for rapid and secure development. Ready to elevate your web presence? Partner with ScalaCode for expert development company. Visit ScalaCode and let us help you build the future. And finally,